Looking for the best Udemy deals before buying a course? Then here's a simple tip. Don't pay full price. Udemy is known for offering some of the biggest discounts in online learning, and many experienced learners wait for deals before enrolling. Udemy frequently runs promotions across categories like AI, ChatGPT, Python, data science, web development, cybersecurity, digital marketing, business, Excel, project management, and more. Whether you're a student building career skills, a freelancer expanding your services, an agency owner staying competitive, or a business professional learning the latest technologies, Udemy has courses for almost every skill level in industry. One of the reasons Udemy remains so popular is that most courses focus on practical, real-world skills you can apply immediately. Instead of spending months learning theory, many learners use Udemy to quickly develop valuable skills that can help with career growth, side projects, business development, or personal improvement. And because Udemy regularly offers promotions and special pricing, it's often possible to get premium courses at a much lower cost than the listed price. That's why smart buyers always check for active deals before enrolling. So before purchasing your next course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy deal link and any available discounts that may help you save money on your enrollment. And if you enjoy finding verified software deals, online course discounts, coupon codes, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.